Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Check out this incredible opportunity to pick up a new style Trailblazer for an incredible price. This is a 2022 Chevy Trailblazer RS all-wheel drive. This has just over 210,000 kilometers on the odometer, but don't be fooled. It is in incredible condition. We're going to take you on a tour of that condition, show you all the great features that you're going to get on this Trailblazer RS right here at Ontario Motor Sales. Now, underneath the hood, you've got a 1.3 liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine. It's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. You can expect fuel economy in the low 8 liter per 100 kilometer range. That is very, very good fuel economy. But of course, you have a turbocharger that will kick in to give you more horsepower and get up and go when you need it. Now you can see from the side profile here, this Trailblazer is a fantastic design. This RS model as well is the sport trim, and it gives you some great features. We've got these beautiful looking 18-inch alloy wheels, nice Michelin rubber on there as well. We have the black mirror caps, the black molding around the windows, and this black roof as well with, you can see the nice roof racks up top. I mean, how cool is this? The black roof, the white paint, such great contrast on this, and it is in incredible condition. As we come around to the back, I love these tailgates on the Trailblazer. You can see the nice spoiler up top, and then you have the black Trailblazer logo, the black Chevy bow tie on the rear, and then we have the dual exhaust. And check out this carbon fiber looking rear diffuser as well. I mean, really super sporty. Little RS badge there on the back. You might have noticed the rear park assist, so it does have rear sonar and a rear view camera. So parking this is nice and easy. Inside here, lots of cargo space. You can go to IKEA, Costco, bring the kids to their sporting activities. That's not a problem here. You've also got the seats that will fold down if you need that as well. Now coming around to the passenger side, just so you can see all four corners of this, you're probably looking at this vehicle thinking, should I pick this up? Absolutely you should. The price is fantastic, and it's an RS all-wheel drive. I mean, where do you go wrong with this? It's got incredible value. Up front, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and LED fog lights, just adding to that incredible options. The black Chevy bow tie across the front, little RS badge there as well. Now, a nice value that we have here at Ontario Motor Sales is these wheels and tires have 1 year of tire and rim protection on here. So if there's a road hazard that causes a puncture or bends your wheel, you have 1 year of coverage on that, which is great. Opening up the back, have a look at the seats in here. The RS gives you this really nice contrast stitching on these cloth seats. We have a big center armrest that folds down. And if you got little ones in the back, there's not going to be arguments over charging cords, because not only do we have USB, we have a regular home outlet back here as well. So lots of ways to keep the kids plugged in and entertained. Now with the purchase of this Trailblazer, we're going to give you 4 oil changes right here at Ontario Motor Sales, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us. Inside, heated front seats. This is a power driver's seat as well. And then hopping in, have a look at the interior. Now this is an RS exclusive interior, and you'll see what I mean, because we have all these nice red accents. Like, look at this cool kind of brushed aluminum red accent there, the contrast stitching. We've got the 8-inch touchscreen display. That's an upgraded touchscreen. We even have the RS logo on the driver's gauges. Look at the odometer. There's proof it does have 210 on it. But like, as you saw from the exterior and this interior, it does not look like this. This is an RS exclusive steering wheel. Now, safety features, forward emergency braking. We have blind spot warning in the side view mirrors, lane keeping assist. This is all-wheel drive, automatic headlights, a nice rear view camera, plus a lot more. It's really well equipped for safety. I mean, have a look at the wheel. Flat bottom steering wheel, red contrast stitching with this nice perforation. Heated steering wheel as well. It is really, really nice. And then of course you saw those gauges there. Automatic headlights, fog light control right there. And then the infotainment system. So we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have built-in Wi-Fi when you subscribe to OnStar. And then we even have the climate control right here in this display. And then we have XM satellite radio if you're not using your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for digital music. And of course, a nice clear rear view camera. Now we've got our dual zone climate controls right here as well. There's your heated front seats, USB ports, and then here we have some of our safety systems like the all-wheel drive, sport mode, lane keeping assist, and then a little bit more of that nice brushed aluminum look. Even RS right here on the shift knob. Isn't that nice? What a beautiful find. Then we have on the key fob here a remote starter, so it'll get the climate control all activated for you. Also, we have 3-year key fob protection included in the purchase of this Trailblazer. If you lose it, drop it, throw it in the lake. We will replace up to 2 key fobs over 3 years for you too. Just a nice way of giving you some additional bonus value with the purchase of this. Here is our vehicle spec sheet. You can go through here and check out every single option that this Trailblazer has. It is very, very well equipped, as you can see. Here's our 4 free oil changes. Here is the Carfax. No accidents or damage records found. That's exactly what we want to see. What a great find. Listen, if you want to reserve this, and I suggest you do at this price point, we don't expect to last it very long. Reserve this on our website or hurry here to Ontario Motor Sales to pick up this beautiful Trailblazer RS all-wheel drive. You're going to love it. It's going to look great in the driveway, and you're going to have so much fun driving. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see you at OMS.